38 divided by 4. Here 4 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 4. 4 times 0, 0, 4 times 1, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 4 times 3, 12, 4 times 4, 16. To find out the multiplication table of 4, just add 4 with the previous step. 0 plus 4, 4, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 4, 16, 16 plus 4, 20. 4 goes into 3 how many times? 0 times. As 3 is less than 4, 0 times 4, 0 times 4, 0. Subtract 3. Bring down this digit 38. 4 goes into 38 how many times? Okay, 10 times 40, which is greater, so 9 times 36. 9 times 4 times 36. 9 times 4, 36. Subtract 2. Our answer is 0, 9, means 9, remainder 2. Take here decimal, add number of zeros. Bring down the first 0. Before the 0 there is a decimal must come to the quotient directly. 4 goes into 20. 4 goes into 20 how many times? 5 times. 5 times 4, 20. Subtract 0. So your answer is 9.5.